Add your birthday no matter how far away it is. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral sticker and also where to find it. So first of all, we will have to go to our Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to May Add Yours at Highlight. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. Click on May Add Yours at Highlights, and if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now we have to click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a tutorial in the description box. Now we just have to go to our uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one. Now we can place our sticker and our photo where you want, making it bigger or smaller. And now we have to add our countdown sticker. We have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, then scroll down and click on countdown. Now I will click on create new, and we have to add a countdown name. I will add my age, and then we have to click here and set the month and day. Then click on done from the right top corner. Now you can place your sticker with your countdown where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share this with your friends. So guys, you can like this video if it was useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, any thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.